I can zoom into this easily. Look what I have here. The Dremel. Yeah, that's correct. Now, it does come with a battery pack. This battery pack fits only once in here, only in this position. And then when we use it, it is spinning 2 speeds. It's the cheapest version of anything here. And this battery may or may not charge in this kind of charger, right? It only fits in here once. This way, this way, this way. Only this way it fits in here, like this. You plug it in and it charges. If it doesn't charge, then you're out of luck, and then maybe the batteries in there are broken. In this video, I want to show you how to open this, how to take a peek inside. So there is on this side here this guide, right? Yeah, so go in there and push up in this direction, like this, and then you get it out. Now look at this. You can see those little hooks here. This way it was connected. There on this side too. Now, this I had apart already before. Now, let's do this. Let's pull this out. You see, then the batteries come out here. And then there is 2 batteries always together. And on this end, they are welded together. Oh, look at this. See that? They are welded together, positive and negative. 1.2 volt batteries, so that makes a 2.4 volt in between those, and you have 2 of those, so you have between here and here, if you go across, you have 4.8 volts. Okay, if you look on here, you can see that it says plus, plus, minus, minus. Plus, plus, minus, minus. So that's how it is inserted here, like this. See that? And then that it doesn't touch at the end here, there's those foam pieces on there, right? Remember? Underneath here are those nickel strips welded onto it. So if you have a nickel strip welder, like I do, you just weld it on there. If you don't have that, then you can try to solder it on there. So once you have this, you can plug this back in here like this, like that, and then the battery is back together. See that? And that you can use now in here. And you can replace those batteries in there if you needed to. I do think that the charger here is not the greatest, but what do I know? It is what it is, and this whole thing is pretty old. I think 5-6 years old, that's how long I have it. I still use it often on the dog, because the dog doesn't mind this noise, or this noise. The tip up here, in there is a 60 grit sandpaper piece. If you push this button here, it locks in there, and then I think you can open this up if you have the right tool for it here, right? So you need this tool that can twist this open, and then you can take this piece out. If you use a Phillips screwdriver there, you can loosen that screw and pull this off. This piece. I do have a video up there in a little lower quality, and in that video I show how to replace those 60 grit sandpaper rolls. That's a whole nother story. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I see you in the next one.